which means the start of a new monthly vlog, and it's my birthday month. So all week I was craving In-N-Out, and there's only one that I know of in Oregon, and it's like an hour away from here. But then my friend calls me today and it's like, hey, let's get In-N-Out for dinner, because it's an hour from them and it's an hour from me. So that's what I'm doing. Gonna go get some In-N-Out. Also, when I show what I order, keep your comments to yourself. Okay, that's it. Anyone else get grilled cheese when you guys go to In-N-Out, or is it just me? Cause it's bussin'. Hello. It feels so weird because I haven't vlogged in a while. It feels like I haven't vlogged in a long time. But also it's because I haven't really been doing much. Pretty much have been home and working and like running quick errands that for me aren't worth vlogging. But today I kind of have been out and about. I still haven't vlogged. I kind of been going to the different stores, but I went to a new boba spot. If it like focuses on this. Anyways, I went to this new boba place. And I'll put like a little clip of the place. But so in March I watched this movie. Oh my gosh, in March I read this book called Where the Crawdads Sing, and the movie came out this weekend. So I'm taking myself on a little date and I'm gonna go watch the movie. I'm actually really excited. I mean, movies are never better than the books, like that's a fact. But I'm still excited. Oh, where am I? Okay, make sure I don't. Oh shit, sorry, never mind. I also got like a new little like setup for my car. I like this. I like it.
Marsh is not swamp. Marsh is a space of light, where grass grows in water.
Decided to get myself up, get out of the apartment for a little bit, so I'm gonna go on a walk, hit up the river, and just enjoy some time outside. So let's go. also didn't realize that I took the difficult route. That's what I get for just trying to follow people and not read the signs. So, kick my butt. And then, like, on the way back, it was so nice and, like, smooth. And when I got to the front of the trailhead, it was like, oh, easy route. So I gotta work on it. First hike of July, and probably the only hike of July, let's be honest. So I decided to go on a trip, a day trip to the forest, because I did want to go to the coast, but I checked the weather and it doesn't look like it's gonna be a good enough weather to go to the coast in Oregon. So I decided that I haven't been out to the forest, and so I'm not planning to hike, but more of checking out some sites that are pretty accessible, I've heard, and then to hit up a lake and chill there. I did end up bringing like my book and stuff, but yeah, this month in general, I know I was like, oh yeah, it's my birthday month, and I was like pretty excited, but I also knew deep inside that this month was gonna be emotionally heavy, and it has been. So the past few days I've just been very emotional, and I know part of it is because I'm like finally just letting it be, or like letting myself really feel and accepting a lot of things. But at the same time, it's just like a lot of memories, and you know, people say like, oh, don't dwell on those memories or don't think about it, and it's like, what do you do when your mind just brings it up on its own? Anyways, I was like, okay, I need to get out. The best way for me is to spend some time outdoors, and then I have a trip planned next weekend, so I need to chill. So yeah, I'm driving. I think I'm like 40 minutes away. So hopefully, also, is it shaky? No, it's shaky. Shaky. I said I wasn't gonna hike, and I'm already like far into this trail, but there's another waterfall, so I can hear it, and plus the water is crystal blue. It's beautiful. Okay. Yo, the water, oh my god. Okay, waterfalls, check. It's pretty hot. I wasn't planning on hiking, but there's two waterfalls connected to just made sense to check them out. I actually liked the second one better. What is it called? It starts with a K. But I came to Saheli Falls, and I hiked down to the other waterfall, and I really like that one. The water, crystal blue. I should just plan to go there, but now I'm gonna hit up the lake and hang out there for a bit. Found a little lake. She fancy? She is fancy. Something's wrong with the legs, girl. Oh, there we go. Let's start it. Of course. Holy moly. There we go. Literally. I actually couldn't go to the spot that I wanted to because it was packed, so I had to come to this lake, but it's so pretty. But I can see why it's not as popular, though. Let's see. There's probably like other spots, but I kind of got tired of driving, so I'm just gonna chill here and read.